number one thing you need to do is you need to say hi. It's the guy's job to take all the risks. So he needs to take that risk to say hi and start and give a direct compliment, letting her know why he wants to talk to her at all. Also, while you're talking to her, you can say little things that you like about her, like her eyes are beautiful, or she has a really amazing energy about her that just kind of lightens everyone around her, or that she's a great listener. So, noticing deeper things beyond her looks. So, it can be a looks-based thing, but really where you're going to make the most fun with her is that you're noticing special things about her character or her behavior. Some other ways to flirt with her: to touch her lightly, to tease her lightly, and basically just be playful in general without the need for her to desperately approve of you.